Okay, hari ni aku nak pergi ke museum sebab ada satu event lah hari ni. Sebab hari ni macam public holiday dekat Rusia lah. So aku bersama dengan kawan aku. Okay.
Hey, my name is Faz. I'm from Turkmenistan.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's it. We're going to the museum, and there is excursion. What is excursion in Russia usually?
Экскурсия.
Yeah.
Когда тебя сопровождают и показывают картины, либо какие-то исторические скульптуры. Они объясняют историю, откуда она взята. Да.
Okay. It's you?
Yeah.
Okay. So kita pura-pura faham lah. Okay. Thank you very much. Can you explain what kind of sword is this?
Yeah, sure. This is a sword. It's called the Sword of Victory. Yeah, it was made by 7 masters by the company of Zlatoutovsky in Chelyabinsk.
Alright.
Yeah.
That's good. Okay, aku baru habis jalan-jalan dekat dalam museum tu, jadi menarik lah, interesting. So, Ikhlas, what do you think about the museum?
It was interesting, really. I found out a lot of things on the history of Russia.
What's your favorite part in the museum?
The favorite part, I think.
Yeah, keep thinking.
Yeah. What about you?
Like for me, because I didn't understand the Russian a little bit, but I love seeing the history of and also the monument of the weapons. So it was interesting, especially the sword. The sword is very, very interesting. I feel like I want to take it home and smash some guy.
Oh.
Wow.
Yeah, what about you? Have
I
you
like
done?
actually the ships.
Okay. Which one? So, like,
The cannon.
what do you learn today going to the museum?
I found out what people were doing with that. The history, let's say.
History, alright. So how do you think this place? Like, beside the museum, with the ocean beside?
It really gets beautiful, the city.
Yeah, it's cool, but it's beautiful.
Yeah.
So I think, like, it is quite interesting for me, for foreigners, to go to a museum to learn about Russian culture and history, so it's very interesting. So do you have any parting words for the viewers?
Yeah, you must come. You won't regret it.
Come where?
To the museum.
Okay.
Yeah, you won't regret it. I hope that it will be one of your happiest moments, let's say.
Okay. Happiest moment. Roger that. And it's snowing. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's raining, not raining, snowing snowflakes.